Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is birds talk. All of you take your GK book and open your page number 3. सब लोग अपना GK book निकाल दीजिए. Take page number 3. So your first lesson is birds talk. In GK, your first lesson is birds talk. So in this lesson, we are going to learn some birds' name and how it talks. How we are talking to each other. We are communicate to each other. Likewise, the birds also used to talk in each other. Okay, आप लोग कैसे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं उसी तरह से birds also talk. That is called in English as a call. Okay, so if a human beings talk, we can say that talk. But if the birds talk, it is in English we say calls. Okay, like us, birds also talk to each other. Yes, how we talk to each other, how you are asking to your mummy or daddy snacks or milk or food, water. Likewise, the birds also can talk to each other. Their sounds are called calls. So each birds have some sounds. Okay, so different sounds, not same sounds. Different birds have a different sounds. So that sounds called as a calls. That sounds called as a calls. Okay. So here we have 8 birds. Okay. So here we have 8 birds picture. And here we have a help box. Okay. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, no? We have 8 birds name. So these 8 birds are having 8 different sounds. So now what we are going to do? So which sound it has? So we are going to match with the birds and birds name. Shall we do? Yes. So here the first one is, okay, what is this? Which bird is this? Okay, so this bird's sound is quacks. Okay, so the bird gives a sound quacks. Okay, that bird gives a sound quacks. Okay, so that gives us sounds quacks. So which bird gives us sounds quacks? That gives a sound quacks. And second one, so that is owl. Okay, that bird name is owl. So it gives sound whoops at night only. Okay, this bird did not sleep at night. So at night it gives a sound. That sound name is oos. Okay, which bird? Owl. Okay, and third one here, whoos. Okay, third word sound is whoos. How it gives a sound? Whoos. And fourth one, okay, this one, fourth one, cackles. So fourth bird gives a sound cackles. Okay, which type of sound? Cackles. And fifth one, this bird. Okay, so it gives a sound is screams. So fifth bird gives a sound is screams. How it produce its sounds, how it communicate with each birds. So with each sound, that is, okay, what? Okay, that is screams. And this cuckoo, okay, cuckoo sings. It used to sing. Sometimes we also admire it sings. Okay, we listen many times it sings. It sings very beautifully. Okay, so this type of sound, this bird is to sings. It is not used to give single sound. So it used to give continuously. So that's why we are called as a singing. Okay, so this bird is to sings. And seventh one, crows. So seventh one is crows. And eighth one is chirps. Eighth one is chirps. Eighth one is chirps. So now we are going to match the answers. So now you may have confused. Okay, so the next page I will show the clear answer. Okay, so quarks. So first one answer is B. It is quarks. So first one answer is B. It is quarks. So if you want, you may note down your answers in your book. And second one is woods. F is the answer. Okay, that is woods. Third one is coos. E is the answer. That is coos. Fourth one, cackles. Fourth one is cackles. That is G is the answer. And fifth, D is the answer. That is screams. That is screams. And sixth one is H. That is sings. Okay, that is sings. And seventh one is crows. Okay, C is a crows. And eighth one is chips. Okay, so this is your answer. So first one answer is B, that is quarks. Second one answer is F, that is woods. Third one answer is E, that is coos. Fourth one answer is G, that is cackles. Fifth one answer is D, that is screams. Sixth one is answer H, that is sings. Seventh one answer is crows. Eighth one is chips. Yes, my dear children, now we learn 8 different sounds of birds. Okay, so we learn which birds has which sound. Okay, so how the birds have a communication to each other. This is our first lesson, that is birds talk. Okay, so birds, how it was, ma'am, we are talking, we are understand, but how the birds talks and how the birds understand. So due to their sounds, they can talk to each other and they can understand their language. This is your first lesson. I hope you understand the lesson, and once again you look at your book and look at the birds' pictures and match the answer. Thank you and have a nice day.